It's Zootopia's police gala, complete with a big surprise. Why, it's the town's historical records, and they're laminated. You can tell Gary's excited. Hey, who turned off the lights? Hey, Nick, can't foxes see in the dark? Either way, did anyone catch the perp? It looked like Gary. You better go find him. Ooh, he's behind the door. But we need the code. Got it written down? Well, we just need to try anything. Let's just hope it doesn't lock you out after 3 tries. Guess the code's just a donut away. It's for a worthy cause, our new ring toss game. And I think he ordered the triple-decker deluxe. It's important to rest after such a big snack. So, why don't we take this card off your hands? Okay, Hops, Nick, why don't you step on in? Ooh, Gary sure is acting slippery today. Going down the rabbit hole's nothing new for you, Judy. But we should probably clear things up for you. Wow, Gary sure knows how to move mountains down here. Oh no! Sand! And I don't mean a day at the beach. Well, let's make like a mole and dig you guys out. Are we at the Bellwether family reunion? Well, while you're here, let's get shearing. Let this be a lesson to all you gym rats. A bodybuilder's best friend is a close shave. It's their #1 rule after that whole leg day thing. And I don't mean 2 legs bad, 4 legs good thing. Wow, it looks like this ewes a ballerina. Our next sheep sure is feeling festive. Brings new meaning to a Christmas skirt. Something tells me this little lamb's not like the others. Careful, Judy. He's got fangs, and he knows how to use them. Jinkies! Gary left a clue for us in all this cotton. We're gonna need a helping hand. Don't want that venom. Something tells me this might take a while. We found the snake pen, and it's even got the antidote. Messing with parking meters? Now that's just evil. A former meter maid like Judy never forgets. Which means we're authorized to put everything back in place. And write up a few tickets as needed. Maybe we can interview a few witnesses. It's Flash Slothmore, and someone took his wheels. We gotta help him. He's got a need for speed. But try something bigger than buttons. Coins? Cookies are a terrible thing to waste. But this is truly for the greater good. What did I tell you? Go, Speed Racer, go! Mr. Sea Lion looks mad. Did you call him a seal? Guess we need to win his game. It's Whack-a-Soul. Guess the moles were on strike. Hop to it, Hops. It's easier than catching fish in a barrel. It's your prize. Guess a dream is a fish your heart makes. But now it's time for our next game.
Wow.
Roll that pearl into the winning bell. Something tells me we should try again. They say third time's the charm, but maybe we'll get lucky. Or maybe not. Anyone ordered a shark? Don't worry. 3's always a lucky number around here. It's Russ! And he'd be happy to give you a lift. This looks like a good place for grub. Make that grubs. Hey, don't knock it till you try it. So try it. Look, this guy wants apple juice. Put it on your tab? Well, we'll need ID. Wait, that gives me an idea. Look at everyone's ID. This will help us find Gary the Snake incognito. Oh, this is just Sir Hiss. Hey, wait a minute. Don't worry, I'm sure Hiss will be back to his old self. Oh, he is one slippery snake. We just need to take a closer look at things. Okay, Mr. Chameleon, we see you. Now scram. Come on, Hiss. You can run, but you can't hide. Yeah, you kind of need hands for handcuffs. Ugh, slime. Well, better on than in. Let's wash you off. Come on. Hey, now there's a familiar Fennec face. Fennec's got the key, but you gotta pay. Guess we'll need to dip into the funds. Well, maybe Nick's got a trick up his sleeve. Ooh, a matching game. Maybe we can win a prize. A badge? A carrot pen? Huh, this looks like Judy's stuff. Maybe we can find her lost loose change. Or at least match everything up, whatever comes first. The other badge! And by process of elimination... I knew it! You just left your money in 2 random boxes. If I had a nickel for every time that's happened to me. We've certainly earned a little treat. But first, let's look at the special prize inside. Oh, so that's where they're keeping unicorns. But I think we were looking for something more key-shaped. Sorry, but we're gonna take a rain check on the squid game. Like I said, 3rd time's the charm around here. The key! Okay, open up! In the name of Zootopia! Careful, he's got junk, and he knows how to use it! Guess it's never too early for some spring cleaning. Pick a door, any door! Seriously, just look. They've all got some tail sticking out. But there's always clues if you look hard enough. Yeah, snakes don't exactly wear shoes. This trail looks like paw prints. But maybe I should rephrase things. Snakes don't exactly have feet. Oh, hi, Derpy. Okay, now door number 3 gets the glitter test. I mean, it's the only option, but you gotta be careful. It's Hiss! We've got you cornered. Uh-oh, looks like he wants a food fight. Okay, we really need to get this guy to freeze. And we've got just the thing, some ice. Come on, Hiss. We know you're cold-blooded. Make like Mr. Big and ice this guy. Come on, we've got to return the book. Don't worry, I'm sure Gary will be back to his lovable self.
Yay!
At least, by the time he thaws out. Someone's getting a visit from the shoebox fairy. And she's given us a special gift. A puppy! Aw, I'd say that this dog's a real good boy. But something tells me that it's a girl. Especially since she's having puppies. Aw, puppies, the gift that keeps on giving. Welcome to your new home, little mama. Here's something the vet ordered. Doggy medicine. Knew we should have led with a spoonful of sugar. Or kibble. How about we make things more comfortable? You're as snug as a bug in a rug. And more importantly, you need to stay warm and cozy. But our little perrito burrito needs special filling. Here, this baby bottle's just what you need. It's time for Doggy's daily massage. Come on, work those fingers. Take care of those knots. Massage those temples. She's gonna sleep good tonight. Pampering can be such a chore sometimes. Especially for him. But who said you were done?
Oh no!
Need a break? Well, we know someone who can take over. This dancing squid can release all your tension. And look pretty groovy while doing it too. Anyone in the mood for calamari? I think it's time for a little grooming. Show us those claws. We need to keep you in place in our new doggy bag. Come on, you'll fit right inside. Ooh, how's the weather up there? And now a trimming we will go. Just in time, too. We're late for a very important date. Time for some fresh air. Touch some grass, little doggy. Or maybe some nice pavement. Wow, this show sure is getting good. It's so colorful and, you know, kind of relaxing. Puppy's dreaming she's under the sea. And you know what that means. Cue the bubbles. Anyone in the mood to burst some bubbles? Nothing beats some time in an octopus's garden. Even if it's only in your dreams. Ooh, now that's what I call a doggy bag. Oh no! Our precious food! Oh, and watch your step. Well, hope you had a nice trip. But maybe we should find another way to give out the treats.
Wow!
Take this cool tool and fill it with kibble. It's so simple. Puppy just needs to lift a paw. And the food practically comes to her. It's so fun, she might almost forget to eat. Don't worry, this floor will be cleared in no time. Oh, Christmas came early. You've got a gift. Though I don't think he'll write you a thank you note. Oh, he didn't mean to be ungrateful. Maybe you can make it up to her somehow. How about a creepy crawly of your very own? It doubles as a great workout routine, too. After all, you really shouldn't forget leg day. Especially when you've got 4 of them. But be careful, this little guy can climb walls. Guess that's why they call it a climbing toy. Time for dessert, and have we got a menu? Of course, this pooch doesn't do chocolate. How about we have some fun with our food? Our starters, some kibble stuffed ravioli. Plus some kibble in the antipasti. And lattice pie. Don't forget the side salad. Always nice to have a balanced spread of kibble. Oh, so you already like the selection? Well, we've got another surprise up our sleeve. And it's got a lot of appeal. Mashed banana. Smashed right to table, with berries on top. Think she'll like it? She likes it! Puppy likes it! Her compliments to the chef. Puppy really needs to wipe her paws before coming in. Well, someday your prince will come.
Oh no!
Yeah. And it looks like that day is today. It also looks like today is someone's bath day. We've even got special dog shampoo to help. Mix it with water and make sure to get behind those ears. It usually isn't nice to spit, but this is for the greater good. You know the orders. Lather, rinse, repeat. Especially that last part. We want our pooch looking her best. Now things are gonna get wet around here real fast. All done. Let's wrap you up in a towel. Isn't it nice to have your own personal groomer? Everyone should be so lucky. Oh, who's a good girl? Oh, shedding season came early this year. The beard suits you, but there are other things we can do with hair.
Cool.
That's gotta hurt. Oh, wait, never mind. Fill up the pup.
Wow.
Now you'll always have a furry friend by your side. Pets might be cute, but they don't always make the best models. Never works with kids or animals. Don't worry, we just need to rethink this. This will give your pup that fresh kissed look. Now give your dog a treat, like their favorite gravy. And soon, your pup will be the next big social media star.